Hello family and welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Solomon Gamal Art and I help beginners improve their art fast. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the World Cup soccer ball. Let's go. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a soccer ball from scratch. I'm going to walk through with you 4 simple stages. The foundation stage, the refinement stage, color blocking, the final details. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel because we want to grow the art community so that we can help more up and coming artists to improve their art fast. So I do free art advice. So thank you so much again. Let's go.
So we are going to begin with stage 1, which is the foundation stage, where you just roughly sketch the ball and the details within it. I just used the normal circle object to just draw the circle of the ball just to make sure it's perfect. And you don't need to worry so much about the refinement at this point. The refinement is just more to do with the shading, but because the ball is already bright itself, you don't really need to do that. So the foundation and the refinement is pretty much complete. Now we're going to start stage 3, which is color blocking. Now, always make sure that you're using very light faint colors first, and then you build up the layers from there. It was a bit tricky with this process because I had to make sure that the gold line patterns along the ball itself had to be included first. If you try to add the yellow gold on top of the dark colors, it's just not going to go through. So again, you see how I'm dealing with it. I have to add another layer as I'm doing the color blocking. On this stage right now, this is where I start adding in the final details, which is stage 4. So you want to get another normal brush, the pointed one. Use very light black watercolor to go over the details on the logos of the ball. So you can see now the shadows are coming to effect. And if you look closely as well, the shadows on the right side of the ball is not fully grey. There's a hint of blue also. So it's always good to have some basic knowledge of color theory, which I will cover in the future. Now I added in the white final highlights just to strengthen some of the contrast on the ball a lot more from the dark areas. And that's it guys. If you want more video content like this, please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Feel free to also comment below of your artwork that you want me to give free constructive feedback on. Thank you again, and I'll see you soon.